We are back at Freedom Cabinets with Bill and Mark. So when customers come in, walk us through the process of how you put things together.
Here's a kitchen that I just did. This is Shiloh inset, and this is just their standard flush inset. This is their new square beaded inset with a modern style. So what happens is you lose that center rail.
And then you paired it with Laventas here. This is Pebble Beach. This is stunning.
This is a white oak with a straw finish. This is maple with a thyme finish.
Let's talk about these here.
So these are two new KraftMaid colors. This is Vanilla Smoke and Muted Moss. And we paired them with
Calcutta Virality from MSI.
to bring out the greens and then the earth tones. And this is one of our Atlas cabinet lines, Slate Brown, that we paired with
Envy, Viola Nouveau. And Atlas is our starting point cabinet, very price conscious, but all plywood construction, all the bells and whistles.
Well, let's take a peek at some of the options.
This is Shiloh cabinets, flush inset, all adjustable shelves, all plywood construction, all full extension plywood, dovetail drawer boxes. So it's a real custom look without the high price.
So here's our Atlas cabinet line. Comes in a couple different door styles. Here is Timeless Shaker White. Always comes full overlay, all plywood construction, soft closed doors and drawers. They even have pantry pullouts, full extension, soft closed doors and drawers. So when you order glass doors, you automatically get a finished interior, and we even give you the glass shelves with it.
So now we're at a KraftMaid display. Let's talk about this.
It's Breslin Overcast, great color. And one of the things that KraftMaid really does well, they probably have the best Lazy Susan going. Also, one of the best things they do are their rollout trays.
And this countertop, this is Laventa. This is actually called Painted Desert.
Pairs
Beautiful.
very well with the cabinets.
So if the viewers say that they saw you on RES TV, what do you have to offer?
10% off. Come in and check us out.